how to promote a video on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. If you want to promote any video from here, then go to the right side of the screen. Then, tap on the share icon as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Now, tap on Promote. Once you are in this page, you can choose your goal for the promotion. For example, select More Followers if you want to get more followers. Scroll down to view and manage the other promotion settings. After you're done, go to the bottom and tap on Pay. Following these steps, you can easily promote a video on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.